This video demos the use of a web scraper that has been developed to scrape the website Arizona Newspapers Association. Now, this website holds thousands and thousands of public notices on various different subjects. The website provides a search interface where the user can construct a comprehensive search query to search for the public notices he or she is interested in. What the web scraper does is that it automates this process. The user can mention his web query in the web scraper, and then the web scraper logs into this website, runs that search query, and scrapes all the resulting search hits. And all the resulting search hits are basically public notices. So the scraper goes on to scrape every public notice and dump the scrape data into an Excel file. Before we move on to a live demo of the scraper, this is what the code of the scraper looks like. The scraper has been developed in Java Selenium. It begins by creating a new instance of a web browser, that is opening a new web browser, and then going to the URL containing the search form. It then fills the search form out, submits it, and then it starts iterating over the search results. And each of the search results are basically clicked upon and analyzed and scraped and dumped into an Excel file using this code. The Excel file contains 4 columns with different details. Moving on to a live demo of the web scraper. So I have the scraper loaded. It would be opening up in just a few seconds. So this is the scraper opening up a new browser window. This is the scraper moving to the URL public notice ads search page, and now the scraper is filling out this form. Let me maximize this window. Once this form is filled, the button go is hit, and what we get is a series of different search results. So what the scraper does is that one by one it starts going to each of these search results, which basically lead the scraper to different public notices. So the first search results basically gives us this public notice. What the scraper does is that it takes this header information and this entire public notice and puts it into an Excel file. And once that is done, it moves back to the search results, selects the second search result, and scrape its public notice. Again, the same detail. And this process goes on until the final search item. So this is now the scraper in action. It is smoothly and quickly clicking through every search result, going to every public notice, scraping the data present on the public notice, going back to the search results, and moving ahead with the remaining ones. Now, this particular search query results in thousands and thousands of public notices. It would not be possible for us to scrape this number of public notices in this video, so I'll just stop the scraper right about now. And now we will move to the Excel file, which basically contains all the scrape data. And this Excel file was created out of a previous run. uh, it contains around 1600 entries for the search query that was earlier used in this video. So this is the Excel file I was talking about. This Excel file has 4 columns. The first column represents the name of the county, the second column represents the publication in which the notice appeared, the third column represents the publication date, and the fourth column represents the publication in its entirety. And if we keep scrolling down this Excel sheet, we can see that we have a total of, in fact, more than 1600 entries. So this was a brief video demo of a web crawler made in Selenium for a particular website.